forget to subscribe to Brianna's World and click the notification bell. Dun, 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 dun. Daddy made this.
That's right, guys. I made a giant candy machine to dispenses candy, and I bet you guys are gonna want to know exactly how it works.
Yes.
Okay, first you grab this lever and you pull it down. You can select which flavor of candy you want. That's just for fun. And then it goes all the way up here where there is a ping pong ball. The chopsticks drop down. The ping pong ball rolls down this ramp around this thing, and then it hits this stick, which then triggers the dump truck to roll down this ramp and hit this rainbow colored fence that drops. The rope goes around this rainbow pinwheel and pulls this rocket straight up, hitting this bar that's gonna flip over, hit this roll of tape that's gonna swing down, hit this ping pong ball that's gonna roll down through this ramp, around down this hole, and then a candy is gonna drop out the bottom into this chute that's gonna slide down and drop the candy off in this box. Okay, so I think Bree's gonna give it a go first. Bree, which flavor are you gonna select?
The red flavor.
Okay, so she's gonna pick the strawberry. All right, and you're gonna push the lever down.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so you got a dipper candy. You want to open it up?
Yes.
Okay, it's time to eat it.
It looks so tasty.
So this is a candy they have in Thailand. It's really popular candy. They have it all over the place at 7-Eleven. So it's basically a baby bottle, but the top is
a lollipop. Okay, that rhymes.
Yeah, yep. And then the bottom is full of candy powder. And then you can dip it and then eat it.
Now that's
It's really good, right?
Really yummy. And that's why it's called dipper, because it dips.
Okay, it's Skylar's turn. Skylar, which flavor are you gonna pick?
Blue raspberry.
Okay, push it. Oh. Here it comes. Oop. There we go. Go ahead, Skylar, pick it up.
Wow. It's a blue version of it, but it's a different flavor.
Different flavor. Skylar, how is it?
Yummy.
It's so good. Okay, so I spent a lot of time building this thing, but I haven't actually done it yet.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get myself an orange candy. All right, I'm gonna push orange, and then I'm gonna pull this down, pull the lever down. There it goes. ball. And the black ball.
Yay!
Oh man, this looks good. I've never had one of these. The children always eat them.
You look excited.
Got orange. Mmm, that's good. All right, now I'm gonna dip it. You ready? Get a lot of powder there.
Like daddy.
Mmm.
Enjoy it.
Mmm. These are really good. Mmm. I like that. Alright guys, that's about all the time we have for today. Now if you really enjoyed that and you want to see how Daddy built this thing, keep watching and we're going to have a time lapse of the entire construction in 1 minute.
What?
Yeah, that's right. You get to see exactly how I built it and maybe you can build your own. Alright guys, so what was your favorite part of the machine? Skylar, what do you think? What was your favorite part?
Everything.
Everything?
I like the part where the car somehow goes down with the touch of
The stick trigger, it goes down and then it hits
like
the...
it doesn't look like it does anything, but it does, and then it goes down and then it goes boop, 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 boop. My favorite section is like the car part and the spaceship.
The spaceship that goes up and hits the thing.
Yeah, and like the tape. I don't know, I just like
That's kind of like everything.
It's half of it, because I didn't say the black ball or that.
Yeah. Yeah, you know what? One of my favorite parts to build, honestly, was like the whole ramp for the ping pong ball. It's actually really fun to make ping pong ball ramps. And like coming down in here and making that. I almost feel like I want to build a whole giant cardboard thing that's nothing but like ball ramps and traps, and maybe we can have like marble races and stuff like that.
Or like roller coaster ball, ping pong ball thing.
Yeah, would you guys like to have like a ping pong ball race machine?
Yes.
Okay, maybe we'll have to build that.
Okay guys, we have to go now. You guys don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We gotta go. Bye!